Alright, I'm back. There's a little confusion back there. Anyway, I just connected the power. I'm about to connect my 360 to the TV. Hold on, I gotta do a little switch in here. Switch it back to HD. Gotta do a lot of fumbling. Gotta connect this HD cables back. Surround sounds in the way.
Get off the dang on freaking TV. When you do stuff like that, somebody say I'm sorry.
Sorry, ain't gonna save your ass when I get finished. Alright?
He said, okay. Okay.
Alright.
You talking about confidence. That's it. You said.
So you got my condolence, man. Yeah.
Okay.
Use tools you trade, whatever tool you want to use. Choke slam the shit out of Jasmine.
Cut down on that myself.
Alright, you take.
Mommy,
and freaking blue and green. Alright. I gotta reset my shit back to axis. Alright. Do the honors, Jasmine. Turn the TV on. Alright. Scared me for a second. Oh snaps. Okay. No picture. Oh. Maybe it's the settings. Whoo! There it fucking is, dude. Get me a controller right quick. My awesome controller with my texting pad. As you can see, I'm fucking back on deck, baby. Signing online over here. And there it is, baby. Your fucking boy is back on fucking line, dude. I missed my baby so fucking much. You just don't know. I'm sorry, I'm just checking out my freaking friends online. But anyway, that's that. I fixed my TV for fucking under, like, it was $1.59 for each capacitor. For each, and I didn't even use the ones I bought. I took it out of another TV, which is kind of crazy. So I got two capacitors. So all in all, I paid for the soldering gun, and that came with the solder, the kit, and all together it was $21.99. I fixed my 37-inch Polaroid TV, costed me $99.99 to buy. It would have cost me to get a technician to fix it. It would have cost like $280. I fixed it for $20. I did it. You can do it. Simple. Just look it up. It shows you every people have done it to fix the TV. So it's simple. If I can do it, you can do it. Alright, this is Turk signing out. This is my fucking TV is fucking fixed, bro. Real shit.